If you want to customize always on a display on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if we scroll down, you should be able to find the personalization, and then we're going to go to Always on a Display. Now in here, of course, we can start by going to Display Items in order to choose when the AOD should be displayed. Over here we have different themes, of course, that we can use. And if you, for example, tap on your theme, you should be able to find some more stuff that can be displayed in here, so you can choose what should be visible on AOD, and you can even animate transition to lock screen if you use the same theme that you use for the, if you use the clock that you use the same one for the lock screen at least. If I try to keep a different one, let's see if we can actually add the same thing. Let me actually go back, there we go. Now in this case, as you can see, we can of course change the text and so on and so forth. We have many different options as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course we can apply the different theme if you want to. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.